Good morning. An unlikely coalition, including Prince Harry, Meghan Markle, Steve Bannon, and Steve Wozniak, has signed an open letter urging a ban on superintelligent AI. Is this a vital safeguard for humanity or a naive distraction? An OpenAI has launched ChatGPT Atlas, a new web browser integrating its AI agent directly, aiming to shift web interaction from searching to task execution. Is this the Google killer, or just a niche tool for power users? Also, NVIDIA and Google Cloud are expanding their strategic alliance, launching new virtual machines and integrating NVIDIA's tech to accelerate AI for enterprise and industrial use. Is this partnership unstoppable? Plus, why AI agents and security are now a top enterprise concern. OpenAI's Project Mercury aims to automate entry-level banking jobs. YouTube rolls out an AI tool to combat deepfakes. China's DeepSeek V3 model tackles AI's long-context bottleneck. Netflix declares it's going big on generative AI. Rubrik launches Agent Cloud for secure enterprise AI. A new partnership plans to launch AI data centers into Earth orbit. All this and more on today's edition of AI in the AM. Let's do it. In a rare display of ideological convergence, prominent figures from across the political spectrum have united to call for a ban on the development of AI superintelligence. The open letter, signed by the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, former Trump advisor Steve Bannon, Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, and Virgin's Richard Branson, warns that the race to AI poses an existential threat to humanity. The petition urges world leaders to establish global safeguards and ban work on systems that could surpass human intelligence. This unlikely alliance underscores a growing, mainstream anxiety that the AI industry is moving too fast without adequate guardrails. This call for a ban comes just as one of the industry's leading AI labs is making a bold new move to challenge a tech giant on its own turf. OpenAI has officially entered the browser wars with ChatGPT Atlas, a new Chromium-based browser for macOS, with other platforms to follow. Atlas is not just a browser but an AI-first interface for the web, designed to function as an active agent. Instead of users searching Google, the Atlas agent can perform multi-step tasks, like finding information, comparing products, and even making purchases. This move is seen as a direct broadside against Google's dominance in search and the Chrome browser, shifting the paradigm from passive information retrieval to active AI-driven task completion. The initial release, while early, points to a future where the browser is the AI, fundamentally changing how we interact with the internet. But this ambitious software play from OpenAI relies heavily on powerful hardware and cloud infrastructure, where other key industry partnerships are also rapidly expanding. The NVIDIA-Google Cloud partnership is deepening, with both companies announcing new integrations to accelerate enterprise AI adoption. Google is launching new NVIDIA-powered virtual machines, and the two are collaborating to bring NVIDIA's technology to industrial digitization. This alliance aims to provide businesses with optimized full-stack AI solutions, combining NVIDIA's powerful GPUs and software with Google's vast cloud infrastructure. It's a clear move to capture the exploding enterprise AI market, ensuring their joint ecosystem remains the go-to platform for businesses building and deploying large-scale models. While this partnership solidifies the go-to platform for earthbound enterprise AI, one ambitious new venture is looking to take AI infrastructure to the final frontier. The race for AI compute is officially leaving the planet. Crusoe, a cloud operator known for using stranded energy, is partnering with StarCloud to pioneer space-based solar-powered AI data centers. The first NVIDIA H100 GPUs are scheduled to reach orbit as early as next month. This ambitious project aims to overcome earthbound energy and cooling constraints by leveraging the vacuum and constant solar power of space. This AI factory in orbit represents a new frontier for data center infrastructure, moving high-performance computing off-world to meet the insatiable energy demands of AI. As these massive new data centers both on Earth and in orbit are built to power more autonomous AI, a critical new problem is emerging: how to secure the AI agents that will run on them. As enterprises rush to build AI agents, data security firm Rubrik is moving to secure them. The company has launched Rubrik Agent Cloud, a new platform that accelerates the deployment of trusted AI agents. It functions as a governance layer, monitoring and controlling what data AI agents can access and what actions they can perform. This addresses a core fear for businesses, that autonomous AI agents could leak sensitive corporate data or perform unauthorized actions. By focusing on securing the agents themselves, Rubrik is betting that trust is the key unlock for widespread enterprise adoption. Rubrik's Agent Cloud is just one part of a much larger, industry-wide scramble to address the critical security vulnerabilities emerging from this new focus on agentic AI. The industry is rapidly moving beyond simple chatbots to agentic AI, where autonomous agents perform complex tasks. However, this has opened a new Pandora's box of security risks. Researchers are highlighting major vulnerabilities like prompt hijacking and a new zero-click shadow escape attack. which leverages the Model Context Protocol (MCP) to leak hidden data across AI platforms. In response, a wave of new products are launching, from Nomo Security's Agentic Risk Map to Rubrik's Agent Cloud, all focused on governing and securing these new AI agent deployments. The trend is clear. As enterprises adopt AI agents for real-world workflows, securing the communication and context between them is becoming the next major cybersecurity battleground. While enterprises grapple with securing AI agents, public-facing platforms like YouTube are deploying new AI tools to combat a different kind of threat: AI-generated deep. In response to the proliferation of AI-generated deepfakes, YouTube is rolling out a new tool to protect its creators. The AI likeness detection feature, now available to eligible partners, automatically scans the platform for videos that realistically mimic a creator's face or voice and flags them for review. This allows creators to more easily find and request the removal of unauthorized deepfakes. This move, along with an AI lip-syncing feature for autodubs, shows YouTube investing heavily in AI tools, both for creative enhancement and as a defensive measure against misuse. While YouTube is rolling out new AI features, fellow big tech giant Meta is making headlines for a surprising reorganization within its own AI Superintelligence unit. In a surprising move, Meta is cutting roughly 600 jobs, or 10% of its staff, within the AI unit dedicated to building artificial general intelligence. The layoffs, confirmed via an internal memo, are part of a broader reorganization to move faster and reduce bureaucratic overhead. This comes just months after Meta made headlines for offering multi-million-dollar packages to poach top AI researchers from rivals like OpenAI. The cuts are reportedly focused on support and management roles, not core researchers, suggesting a strategic consolidation rather than a retreat from its superintelligence goals. Nevertheless, the move highlights the intense financial and organizational pressure on big tech to deliver tangible AI progress. This intense pressure to deliver tangible AI progress isn't just leading to internal reorganizations. At companies like Amazon, it's manifesting in automation strategies that are sparking widespread job replacement fears. Fears over AI-driven job displacement are crystallizing around Amazon. A new report claims the company's automation strategy could allow it to avoid hiring 600,000 workers by 2033 as it doubles sales, primarily by replacing warehouse roles with robots. This follows another explosive allegation that Amazon replaced 40% of its AWS DevOps team with AI just days before a recent crash, raising questions about automation's reliability. While Elon Musk commented that AI replacing all jobs is inevitable, the immediate focus is on Amazon's fulfillment centers, where the drive for efficiency is on a direct collision course with its human workforce. But these job replacement fears are no longer limited to warehouse roles. A new project from OpenAI is taking direct aim at entry-level jobs in high finance. OpenAI is setting its sights on Wall Street. Reports indicate the company is actively developing Project Mercury to train its models on financial analysis, with the goal of automating the drudgery of entry-level banking jobs. This includes tasks like building financial models and drafting pitch decks, which form the core of a junior analyst's workload. While some in finance see this as a powerful co-pilot to boost productivity, it's sending a clear signal that AI is moving rapidly from back-office tasks to complex, white-collar professions, threatening a traditional entry point into the world of high finance. Meanwhile, other studies are questioning the reliability of AI in different information sectors. A new study from the European Broadcasting Union (EBU) and other public broadcasters has raised serious alarms about the reliability of AI for news. The research found that leading AI assistants, including ChatGPT and Gemini, make widespread errors misrepresenting, making up or hallucinating news events in nearly half of all cases. The study, which was consistent across multiple languages and territories, highlights a systemic distortion of information, with AI models often failing to cite sources or inventing fake ones. As more users turn to AI for information, these findings suggest the technology is not yet reliable for news and poses a significant risk of spreading misinformation. Even as these reliability issues plagued current models, the global race to build larger and more powerful ones is accelerating, with a top lab in China announcing a major new release. China's AI race is heating up as DeepSeek AI, a leading research lab, pushes into new territory. The company has released its DeepSeek V3 model, a massive 685 billion parameter mixture of experts MO model, which it claims is 2.3 times faster and 6.7 times cheaper for long context inference. A key bottleneck for current LLMs is, along with a new DeepSeek OCR model that converts text into images to compress tokens, represents a major push to make powerful AI more efficient and accessible, particularly in markets like Africa. This move challenges US tech dominance and signals a shift in China's AI ecosystem away from base models toward productive applications. DeepSeek isn't the only Chinese tech giant making a major play. Rival Alibaba has just unveiled its own new series of models aimed directly at competitors like OpenAI. Alibaba is making a major move to rival OpenAI with the launch of its next-generation QWEN3 VLAI models. These new models boast advanced visual language capabilities, allowing them to understand and process both text and complex images with greater accuracy. This release is a direct shot at competitors like GPT-5 and Google's Gemini, as Alibaba aims to create the most powerful and versatile models on the market. This development, along with its Agon GPU system designed to reduce reliance on NVIDIA, underscores China's ambition to achieve self-sufficiency and leadership in the global AI race, while tech giants like Alibaba focus on building the next generation of base models. Streaming services like Netflix are focused on integrating generative AI directly into their content and operations. Netflix is all in on generative AI. In a recent letter to shareholders, the streaming giant declared it is going big on Gen AI to deliver value. Co-CEO Ted Sarandos clarified that this means leveraging AI as a tool to help creators and improve its streaming platform, not to replace human artistry. The company is actively using AI for tasks like optimizing content delivery, personalizing recommendations, and even assisting in the creative process, such as creating AI tools for its content creators. This positions Netflix to use AI as a core efficiency and enhancement play, distinguishing it from legacy media. In contrast, other AI applications are facing more real-world scrutiny. Is AI exacerbating the loneliness epidemic? That question is at the center of a new cultural debate as more users report forming genuine, personal relationships with AI friends and companions. Articles explore the psychology of finding love in artificial minds, with some users feeling unnerved by the depth of their connection. While Tennessee Senator Marsha Blackburn is pushing for safeguards to protect children from forming unhealthy attachments to chatbots, some experts argue these AI companions can offer real comfort. This trend raises profound questions about the nature of friendship and emotion in the digital age. That's going to do it for this edition of AI in the M. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and give us a follow. Thanks.